So hello testers, today in this video I am going to give you all a trigonometry trick, that is substitution trick. So with this trick you can solve most of the trigonometry questions in less than 30 seconds. The first two questions will give the basic method and the last two questions will give the advanced method. So without wasting your time, let's begin. So this is the first question. In this, tan alpha equals to m upon m plus 1 and tan beta equals to 1 upon 2m plus 1, and you have to find out alpha plus beta. So I want to tell you that the crux of the substitution method is that you have to replace the value of m here such that this becomes simple and it should not become indeterminate or indefinite. That is 1 upon 0 is indefinite. So this form should not be here. So if you will replace m equals to 0 here, then it will become simple. That is tan alpha will become 0, so it will become 0. And tan beta equals to 1, and if you will solve, tan alpha plus beta equals to tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha plus beta. So it will come out to be as 1 upon 1, and alpha plus beta then will become pi by 4. So this is the trick of this question, that is you have to replace the value of m such that it becomes simple and it should not become indefinite. So moving to the second question. So this is the second question. Now you have to see in this what substitution you should make such that this question becomes simple, and in this if you will solve this by the trigonometric formula, then it will take a lot of minutes, and if you will substitute alpha beta gamma value a proper value, then it will become a very simple question. So if you will solve alpha equals to beta equals to gamma equals to 0, then you can see this. It will become a very simple question. That is alpha, this is beta and this is gamma, this is all 0. So this will all become 0. And now this will become 1, 1 and 1. So 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So the answer will be 0. So this is the power of substitution. So this is a very difficult problem to see, because with the trigonometry formulas it will take a lot of minutes. But with this substitution it is solved in less than 10 seconds. So this is the third problem in this video, and in this you will get to know the advanced substitution trick. Now you have to replace theta equals to that value which will simplify this whole equation without using the trigonometrical formulas. So if you will put theta equals to 0 here, then you will see that the two options, that is tan theta and tan 2 theta, will become equal. And if this is coming, the options are becoming equal, then this value you cannot put in this whole equation. Now you have to shift to another value. So this is one segment of this trick where you have to check if the options are not becoming equal. So you can put theta equals to 15, because for theta equals to 15, tan and cot are different. That is, the values will come different. So theta equals to 15. 1 upon tan 45 will become 1, and tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. Minus 1 upon cot 45 is also 1, and this is 2 plus root 3. So you have to learn the value of tan, cot or sine for some angles, that is 15, 75, 22.5. So you have to learn these values. So if you will simplify this, 1 upon 1 minus, so it will become root 3 minus 1, and it will become root 3 plus 1. Minus 1, yes. Root 3, and this is minus, yes, root 3 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, so this will become plus and this will plus, or this will become up, yes. So this will be root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 gone, root 3 plus 1, and here it is plus, so root 3 minus 1. This and this will be gone, this will be 2 root 3 upon 3 square, root 3 square minus 1 square, that is 2, this and this will be gone, and root 3. So this whole equation is minimized to root 3 value, and now you have to put theta equals to 3 in the options and whichever option will match root 3, that will be the answer. So tan 15 is nothing but 2 minus root 3, so it do not matches. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, so it will also not match. Cot 15 is 2 plus root 3, so it will also not match. But cot 2 theta, this is cot 2 theta, this is not minus, this is cot 2 theta. So cot 2 theta, that is cot 30, is nothing but root 3. So your answer matches, and this is the solution of this problem in less than 30 seconds. So this is the most advanced level of the substitution method. In this, your all concepts will be clear. So if there is tan x equals to b by a, so you have to think about the value of a or b. So if you will put a equals to 0, then it will become indeterminate form. So this a equals to 0 you cannot apply. So if you have to simplify this tan x equals to b by a, so you can put b equals to 0. Because of which the whole expression will become 0. So tan x will be 0 and x will be 0. So now you have to put b equals to 0 here, and if you will put b equals to 0, so root a root will be cut, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. So now you have to put x equals to 0 in these options, and then you will see which option will be equals to 2, and that will be your correct answer. So x equals to 0 if you will put here, this will not be the answer because it will be 0 only, and if you will put here, it will also not be your answer because sin x, this will be indeterminate, and if you will put here cos 0 will be 2, this is 1 and upon 1. So this is your answer. So this is how you can use the substitution method in most of the trigonometry problem, and you have to identify which value you will put to make the problem simpler. So all this in this video, and until then keep preparing hard and check.